the values that we would be using here in this class, I think it would be adaptability. As we move on in life, I think we will meet new people, so we need to adapt with the new environment. I mean, for now I'm going to be joining class 11, so I'm going to meet many people, new faces. So I think adaptability is one value that is going to help me. Our thoughts really matter. We can express ourselves, and one thing that's very important, I think, is being open, expressing your ideas and just sharing with people and not keeping it within you. The fact that people will always judge you no matter what. Even if you're good or bad, people will always judge you. So I learned that just do what you are, just be yourself, and just be open, be calm, be yourself, and yes, that's it.